What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I got a nice little L5P Duramax behind me getting some pretty cool little Banks Power upgrades. So we got the new upgraded oil cooler from Banks Power going on this little L5P. Already you can just tell the size difference between the Banks Power one and the OEM one. This little L5P Duramax is definitely going to be running with some colder oil temperatures. Obviously, we do not want any kind of overheating on the oil. We want to keep them nice and cool for optimum performance. Such a cool product. We love working with some of the best companies in the industry so that we can provide our clients with some of the best results for their trucks. So if you have an L5P Duramax and you want to start running some cooler oil temperatures to prevent any kind of catastrophic engine damage or just the overall efficiency of the truck, always feel free to reach out to us so that we can get you hooked up with this upgrade for your L5P. Your truck will not regret it. You will not regret it. Your truck will love you for it. Always feel free to reach out to us on social media or give us a call at the office. Again, thank you for all your love and support. Peace.